Hi everyone, welcome back to Harvest Hill Cottage. Today I'm going to show you how we set up our new retail space inside the beautiful Lazy Daisy gift shop in Spotsylvania, Virginia. The Lazy Daisy features home decor, beautiful furniture, and accessories for both you and your home, and it features some of the best artists in the area. And boy, do we feel honored to be among such a prestigious group of artists. What a lot of people don't realize is that there is a lot of time and work that goes into prepping for moving into any retail space. As a reseller, hours and hours of work go into painting and cleaning and prepping and decorating your pieces for your space. This is a sweet little dresser that we prepared for our new space by just layering on paint, giving it a rustic vintage look. And then we decided to add a transfer just to make it extra special. And my daughter Hannah is my transfer application specialist. She's really good at it. She has an eye for embellishment, and I love having her in the garage with me. So here's the piece all done. And this piece actually sold within 3 hours of the store opening, so we were real happy about that. So after lots of waiting and preparation, we were finally able to get into the retail space to build out our own individual space. So each vendor is given kind of a blank slate, and we are responsible for building our own backdrop and making the space our own and our own signage and everything, which I love because then it's all mine and it's a personal reflection of me and my personality. So here's our space when we got started. We taped off our spot, we painted, and then we got busy with backdrop and signage. We opted to apply paneling and chair rail. And of course, my husband John was there by my side the whole time. We used a picture frame for our signage, and we painted it gold. If any of you all watched my video on making a frame for my TV, this was actually the reject frame that we messed up. So we repurposed it as our signage. We added a pop of color to that framed space, and then we hung our sign and then added a shelf. Next, it was the fun part. We got to start moving in all of our inventory and setting everything up and decorating our space. So much fun. We spent a lot of late nights there setting up and rearranging and decorating and installing things. My daughter Hannah came along one night. It was good to have her there. She's a big help. So here's our space when we were all finished with it late at night, just before the grand opening. I'll show you some vignettes, and then I'm going to show you a few of the other spaces in the Lazy Daisy. And then I'll give you a quick glimpse at the grand opening this past Saturday morning. So this is how our space started just before grand opening. I will let you know within a few days we added more inventory, and we have stacked and layered even more than what you see here. I do like to pack my booth space pretty full. Not so crowded that you can't get around, but full enough that there's plenty to look at. When I'm setting up a new retail space, I like to blend different textures and different size items, stacking and layering so that there's a lot of interest for the eye. I like to draw people into my space, and I like to use furniture that is actually for sale as my display pieces rather than just permanent shelving. Although I do use permanent shelving for my paint that is for sale. Here's a little peek at some of the other vendors in the space. Lots of gorgeous, gorgeous spaces. If you find yourself in Virginia, take a look and see if there is a Lazy Daisy location near you, because there are more than one location throughout Virginia, and it's a great shopping experience. So this is the entrance, all decorated on the morning of the grand opening. There was lots of hustle and bustle, lots of action. Our customers love the new location and everybody had a blast. So we're excited, we love our new space, and we can't wait to show you more. If you like this sort of thing, if you like repurposing, flipping, home decor, rustic, vintage, chippy goodness, please subscribe and let me know what you think of this video. If you'd like to see more booth resets, we're happy to bring more to you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. God bless.